If you're experiencing issues with syncing your Cyberpunk 2077 account, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Cyberpunk 2077 website or social media channels to check if there are any ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Verify your account credentials. Ensure that you are using the correct login credentials for your account. Double-check your username and password and consider resetting your password if you suspect it may be incorrect. Step 3. Update the game. Make sure that your game is updated to the latest version. Check for any available updates on your gaming platform and install them, as updates often include fixes for account sync issues. Step 4. Clear cache. If you're playing on a console or PC, try clearing the cache. This can help resolve temporary data issues. For consoles, you can usually do this by power cycling the device. For PC, you may need to clear the game cache through the platform you are using. Step 5. Contact support. If the issue persists after trying the above steps, reach out to the Cyberpunk 2077 support team. Provide them with detailed information about the problem, including any error messages you receive, to help them assist you more effectively. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your account sync issues in Cyberpunk 2077. If problems continue, staying in touch with support will be your best option for a resolution.